Hey guys, so this is gonna be my night skincare routine. I have really acne prone skin and it's mainly around my cheek area. Starting around COVID when we had to wear the mask, I got a lot of acne around my cheeks and it was all over my face. But I feel like right now it's a little better. My skincare routine has changed a lot since then, but this is just what I'm using right now. So the first thing I like to do is brush my teeth before I start off my skincare routine. I'm not sure if that makes a difference or anything, but that's what I usually do. So after I brush my teeth, I usually like to wipe my face down and my hands to make sure there's no water on it, because my first step is to oil cleanse. I've been oil cleansing for probably over 2 years now. Oh my god, I think I put it on backwards. It's fine. And this is the oil cleanser I'm using right now. It's the herbalgreen cleansing oil by Manyo. This one kind of has minty smell to it, which kind of smells like yao, which is Vietnamese oil that you'll put on if you have like a headache or a tummy ache. It just makes my skin feel like it's getting really refreshed and really clean. Before this, I used to use this Japanese oil cleansing brand. It's the Softymo oil cleanser, and I do like this one, but it is a bit lighter than I usually like my oil cleansers to be. So when I switched off to this, I preferred it more because it's a thicker oil cleanser. This one I got in Korea, probably around $10 or less than that. I use about 1 to 2 pumps, and then I'll rub it in for around a minute. And the thing about oil cleansing, you just feel all the little whiteheads come off of your skin. It just feels like your skin is getting a deep cleanse. All the crevices, so under your chin, between your nose. My skin right now is not breaking out as much as it usually does. I need to knock on wood or something. I just have this really big chin pimple. Don't ask why it's red. After it's all rubbed in, you just get a little bit of water on your hand and then you'll emulsify it, and this is basically breaking down the oil, and then it'll turn this milky color. Rub this in for around 30 more seconds and then I'll wash it off. After I get all the oil cleanser off, I'll use a water-based cleanser. I've been using this abib acne foam cleanser, and this has salicylic acid in it, so it's really good at getting everything, all that gunk out. This is why I like to use it if my skin is ever breaking out a lot. Sometimes if I just want a gentle cleanse, I'll use this mixsoon X Una gentle recipe foam cleanser, and this has centella acidica in it and also hyaluronic acid. It's really calming and gentle on the skin. I got this at either TJ Maxx or Marshalls. It was just one of the random Korean products they had, and I knew mixsoon was a really popular brand. That's why I got it. But then for some reason when I go online to try to find this cleanser collaboration, I can't find it anywhere, and I'm almost running out of it, so that's why I kind of like switching it off with the abib. It does work hand in hand because sometimes I want a more exfoliant cleanse rather than just a gentle one. And then usually the cleanser I use will depend on what serums I'm going to be using after. I'll probably be using my retinol today, so I'll just be using the gentle cleanser. It's a bit calming and soothing, but I'll lather it and then I'll just rub it into my skin. So now that I finished cleaning my skin, it feels really clean right now, and it doesn't feel tight. You wouldn't want your skin to be stripped after all that cleansing. Even though it feels clean, it still feels good. Like I can move my face and it won't feel tight. I've been using these facial towels to pat down my skin. I know my face is really dried up right now, but usually right after I finish cleansing, I'll just pat it down with the wipe. It has a little bumpy side for a bit of exfoliation, and then it has a softer side. I've been using this cosrx retinol for a couple of months now. It's the retinol 0.1 and it has super vitamin E and pathanol in it. It's a bit yellow right now. I don't know if you could tell. It's finally starting to oxidize. I usually like to leave the retinol in the fridge just to help it not oxidize. Every time after I use it, my skin does feel really smooth, but it's just my skin has been breaking out a lot still, even though I've been using it for so long, but I know a single product can't really get rid of all your acne, because sometimes acne can be an internal thing, which I think it is for me. So I've been trying to heal my gut and all that stuff, but that's still in the process. Retinol is a tricky thing to start using, because if you've never used retinol, it can be super drying on your skin and cause you to crack and also have flaky skin. So something I recommend when I first started off, I would use the sandwich method. It's just putting on your moisturizer first, then putting on pea-sized amount of retinol, and then I'll go in with moisturizer again. While that sits in, I'll just put on some Vaseline. I'm not really that fancy with lip products. I really do like the Laneige lip mask because it's super thick, but Vaseline works as well. And then also when I first started retinol, I had so much cracking around my nose and around my lips, so I'll just put a lot on there. Now my skin has gotten used to the retinol, so that's good. So after I let the retinol sit a bit, I'll put on my moisturizer. I have two moisturizers that I really like right now. The first one is the Dr. G Red Blemish one, and it's this clear smoothing cream. Even though it's called cream, it's actually super lightweight for me. It works really well with my skin. I think I have acne-prone combo skin, so when my skin is really inflamed and irritated, it helps calm it down. The cream is super gel-like and watery. I got this in Korea when Inside Out 2 was coming out, so it has the little Inside Out characters on it, which is really cute. And another moisturizer I've been liking a lot is the 345 Relief Cream by Dr. Althea. I've been using it to the brim. I should have got more of it, but it was sold out, and it's also sold out online right now, so I'm waiting for it to restock so that I could buy more of it. It helps my skin so much, and I think it's because the ingredients in the moisturizer is so simple. It's also fragrance free, so that's also a plus. Even though it's considered a cream, it's still super watery, similar to the Dr. G. Something I like to add on at night is also this Rescue Balm by Hero. This product is a holy grail as well. This thing has ingredients that help repair your skin so well. Once you pop a pimple and the skin is literally destroyed, if you glop this onto your pimple, it'll go away very quickly. I won't say it'll go away overnight, because you'll probably need to put it on multiple times. I'll put it on at least 2 times a day if I'm at home, and then if not, I'll just put it on every night, and then it'll literally heal my skin. That is my nighttime skincare routine. Skin is different for everybody, so some products may not work for you and some may. Please give a like, comment, and subscribe, and also comment down videos that you would like to see.